Hi everybody, I'm Bill and I am the Drunken Sailor and you're at the Drunken Sailor Cocktail channel and we are back. We took a little bit of time off, did a little bit of traveling, went up back home to the Great White North and didn't see any snow, but we did get a lot of rain. Now we're back into sunny Florida where it, of course, has been raining the last couple days, but desperately needed. If you haven't been here before, this is the place where we make cocktails and we show you how to make those cocktails. We hope you enjoy them. They're fun, they're easy, and most importantly, they're pretty delicious. If you stuck around this long, you're going to really enjoy this cocktail today. It's got a unique flavor to it. It's not too bitter, it's not too sweet. Goes together with a few simple ingredients. And this is a cocktail that dates back to 2016 and it comes from a bar called the elderflower in Los Angeles. Bar manager John Weimart is the one who concocted this. So join me, have a seat at the bar here, and let's make today's cocktail Part-Time Lover. Let's get pouring. We're going to make this cocktail in a shaker glass. The name Part-Time Lover, I thought, came from a Stevie Wonder song that came out in 1985. Stevie wrote and sang this song. He had backup singers on this. One of them, Philip Bailey from Earth, Wind and Fire, and the other one, funny enough, was his ex-wife at the time. The song was about how to keep your lover from your current lover. But that's got nothing to do with the cocktail. This cocktail has a few simple, easy ingredients. Our first one is going to be freshly squeezed lemon juice. And for that, we are going to put in there 3/4 of an ounce. Our next ingredient going in there, we're going to follow that with, is Aperol. This cocktail has a bittersweet flavor to it, and that Aperol is going to bring us that flavor as well as the color that you're going to see in this. We're going to put in there 1/2 of an ounce. Going to follow that with some St. Germain's elderflower liqueur. Now the elderflower gives it that soft floral notes to it. The actual recipe calls for 1/2 of an ounce, but after my taste test, and more importantly, the director's taste test, we bumped that up to 3/4 of an ounce of elderflower liqueur. Gives it a nice soft note. I'm now going to put in there the salt and pepper of cocktails, the bitters, and we're using Angostura bitters, and we're going to put in there 2 dashes. One more ingredient going in there. This is our final, and we are using tequila. We're using a blanco tequila, Milagro, which is one of our favorites. It calls for 1.5 ounces. Now, if you want to switch it up and maybe give it a little bit more body after you've made it, you can try a reposado in there. But for now, 1.5 ounces of blanco tequila. It's got a great color to it. Now we need to do is make this cold. So let's ice it up and chill it down. We're going to give this a good 10-second shake on that. You'll find out that your cocktail is cold when you see the condensation on your tin. I think we've got condensation on there. We're good. Yeah, one more shake. Let's put that down. Let's set that glass aside. Now we're going to get our cocktail glass. We're going to put this in an old-fashioned glass. We're going to ice that up. Fresh ice. Lots of fresh ice. And now simply we strain. Beautiful color to that. Now, with a color that perfect, the only thing we can do for garnish on that, and it pairs perfectly with the tequila in there, we're going to use a grapefruit rind. So we're just going to give that a slice. Let's trim it up and make it a little bit pretty. And Now what I'm going to do is just give that a twist over the top of the glass. We're going to spread some of those oils on there. And there is today's cocktail, the Part-Time Lover. Let's give this a taste. This defines refreshing. It's got a bittersweet taste to it, but it's not so much that it gives you a real huge pucker factor to it. That lemon juice brightens it up. That elderflower just smooths it out, and you've got that good base tequila taste on it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you like the cocktail, hit that subscribe button, leave us a like, leave us a comment, and make sure you come back for the next cocktail. Cheers, everyone.